There's three things to note of for Tesla stock. We have Tom Lee here saying that there's a V-shaped recovery to 330, and if we break above 330, watch for that recovery all the way up to 488. And again, of course, take this with a grain of salt. You have 6 firms here in a row, a buy recommendation. You can see here on Unusual Whales, Mizuho, Canaccord, RBC, Cantor, Piper, and Morgan Stanley there with 410, 450, 425, 320, 404, and a 430 price target. And again, all being buy recommendations. This is all as of March here. Then you have here 530,000 buys and then 54,000 sells. These are insiders, all right, insiders buys and sells. And of course, you also have these 3 sell recommendations here from JP Morgan, Guggenheim, and Wells Fargo. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the chart itself. Today here being at 277. This morning we hit a high of 291, so I believe that was almost 6 or 7% up towards the top side from today itself. If we zoom out to the daily chart, I'm going to go ahead and share with you the upside potential that Tom Lee was talking about here. So 330, hypothetically, if we did test towards 330 from our current price, that is going to be an additional 15% move towards the top side. And post 330, looking for 488, right? If you're following Tom Lee, then Tom Lee here with a 70% move towards the top side here for Tesla stock. And again, he's talking about a sharp V recovery, meaning watch out for a volatile move here going into April, May. Watch for that recovery towards 488 if 430 does break above. As of right now, personally, I view 272 to about 213 being the best dip opportunity. I think anything below 250 is even better for a dip opportunity for Tesla. The thing is, you can't really predict if we are going to retest those levels. Between 250 and 272, if we get towards those levels again, that would be a really good dip opportunity as well. If we go into the minute chart here, you can see here we hit a low of 273 here. This is just as of right now. Earlier this morning, before market opened, we had a low of 270, and of course it got bought all the way back up here. 272 here is going to be a pretty important support level to keep an eye out for in the short term, at least for this week and going into next week. I do expect to see 290 get retested here pretty soon, and I'm pretty sure, in my opinion here, that 313 is going to be the next level of resistance to be tested. And then you can go ahead and watch out for 325 or 330 there. Tom Lee's prediction of a resistance level to watch out for. And again, if we break above 330, you can see possibly Tesla stock here propel all the way up to a lot of those analyst price targets you see here on Unusual Whales. Let me know what you think down below in the comments for Tesla stock. Are you buying right now for Tesla? Are you long-term holding this? Or are you just swing trading this or day trading this for the potential momentum? There is a lot of volume here for Tesla stock, so I expect to see a lot of volatility here going into the next couple of weeks, especially going into April and May of 2025. I think this year is going to be very interesting for Tesla stock, and personally, I'm quite bullish on the move back up towards the top side here, towards 488 and potentially a new all-time high. If you don't have a community yet for Tesla stock, feel free to join our Discord, link down below in the description. I'll also pin it down below in the comments. It's free to join, and we have over 32,000 people, as well as a dedicated Tesla chat section as well. If you are looking for live entries and exits, you can join our Patreon. That's also linked down below in the description. We have live entries and exits on stocks and options, and that does include Tesla stock as well. I'll leave the link down below in the description as well. We have a permanent 90% off discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for Tesla stock.